video I'm going to show you how you would edit okay, the ID which I've made for you. So first of all, make sure you have this Adobe Photoshop installed on your Windows computer, or depends whether you are operating on a Mac. So there is this folder which you will receive. There is this Moreloved here. This is the Adobe Photoshop file where I've done all the design, and this make sure you install all of these fonts so that you'll be able to edit without an error. So it's just by selecting all of them, then you right click, then you say install. Then after installing these fonts which I have used in the design, for me I have installed it before, so I'm just going to say no. Okay, now that you have installed the fonts, then you have to come here, double click on the Adobe Photoshop project file, and then I'll show you how we would edit your ID, your company ID. So let's just wait for it. Depending on the PC, some PC will be fast on the processor, so let's just wait and see. So this you will receive a different view from the one which I have, so don't worry, just wait for it to read the Photoshop file format, then we are good to go. Okay, let's just wait and see. So this is okay. If you reach this point, just say don't resolve. Okay, so this is the ID, right? So as you have requested, you have requested a kind of document file where you will be able to edit the user ID picture and the username and the phone number, etc. So let's just begin. Okay, now we just want to start with the ID name. So there is this folder which I've created, which is name go here, or name goes here. Just click this kind of arrow so that you produce another menu. So let's say it's your employee. If you want to edit in the name into an employee, just click, highlight on managers, senior manager, then double click on it, then you say, let's say employee, just for example, employee. Then you come over here in the top of the screen, then click this tick button. But let's say if you do not want to write employee, you just come here, over here where under this name folder, then you click the I button to hide. Then if you want to change the name, you just do the same, just click on this name. After that, you just come over this, highlight here, then double click. After double clicking, then you are going to write a name. Let's say Mbonisi Mtunzi. This is the name. Then you say okay, then you tick. Then when it comes to personal number, let's say, as you said, you requested that you might not need an employee to put his or her number, so just highlight on the personal phone, then just click this I button, which means it will hide the layer. Then now the second part is, okay, let me just close this folder. Then now we are going to change the picture ID. So you just click this arrow again, then there is a space which I've created here, place image here. So now I have to find an image to insert. So whilst you are highlighting on place image here, just go to your top left of the screen, then click where it says file. After clicking where it says files, click where it says highlight place embedded, then click there. Okay, now we're just going to look for a picture. So let's say you have placed your employee picture on your desktop. For this for the purpose of the of the video, I'm just going to put this koala. Yeah, just wait for it. It's going to insert the doc. Okay, now as you can see, now the image is inserted into the Adobe Photoshop project file, but then the image is not clear there. So I come and highlight over here, as you can see here. Then I click with my left click of the mouse. Whilst I'm clicking the left click of the mouse, then I'll be dragging with my other hand, depending on your mouse. Then I'm dragging it over here. Then I'm trying to adjust this image. Okay, there it goes. Then yeah, if you have seen it, you have aligned properly, then it's good to go. Then you come over the top section of the screen, then you hit use. Yeah, let's say now you have finished the design. Okay, you've finished editing your employee image and name. Let's say I have you have decided to leave employee. Then now the design is done, right? Then you go back where it says file. Okay, this screen won't show on your PC, the pop-up. Then you click file. After clicking file, then you have to export it. Then over export section, then go where it says export as, right? Or you can quick export as PNG. This is a type of image format. Then you click export, quick export. Then now let's say, then we're going to name Moreloved KID Mbonis Mutunzi. Then you hit save. So now going back, the image is saved within the Moreloved K Photoshop file. Then we have to double click here. Then our ID design is complete. So I think if this video was helpful to you, please just give me a feedback through my email, through my Facebook contact, or through WhatsApp, or even below this video's description. So just thank you for watching. So depending on your site, I might choose to click close. Then I say no, I don't want to save changes, because I just want to send you the original file of the Adobe Photoshop design. So thank you for watching. Thank you for everything.